Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I was very excited about this video because I won some chess tournaments and I won some trophies and medals. So these are my trophies and medals. Friends, today we are gonna draw my favorite Pokemon Squirtle Evolution Line. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon for getting my all notifications, and please follow my Facebook page. Now let's start the video. This is our final drawing. Hope you enjoyed it. See you soon with our next drawing. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe my videos. Bye friends.